Oh yeah, this. Let me see. Now I got some light. Stand up on it. Yes, sir. This is it. This is it. This was exactly what I've been looking for. See, Corey got the big panoramic. All I wanted was this one right here because I got the quarter top, and I didn't want to go that far back. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, he told me you was his mechanic. Huh? Oh, yeah, chain wheels on me. All right. So I ain't seen this car since a couple of months. Since oh, you put some gold. Okay, we got. What he did? He went LS.
Took that 5.3 that got in their house. Got a 7.0 in it, you know. All aluminum court right.
Ooh! Oh!
And I've been changed a lot of shit in the last month or so.
Cause see, the first time, the beginning of the year, this car had a lot of horsepower. So now, I know he got a lot of horsepower.
Yeah, he's lost control of it a couple times already.
Yeah, because he drives like a bat out of hell.
They got power and gets out from under him now. Turn around in circles when you stab it.
Baby, come here. Come look at this. Man, man, you did a damn good job. You did this?
Mm-hmm. We bought a block. All we bought was a block and a set of heads. We had to buy everything else and build it.
See, I've been going to the junkyard, but I don't know. I don't know how to pull the stuff out. So he just did a LS swap on this.
He did.
Mm-hmm. Oh. See, beginning of the year, he didn't have this set up. He basically was like Lucille, you know. He had a carburetor and everything, and they were running out the ass then. So what he went? 6.0, 6.2?
What?
This.
That's a 7.0.
7.0?
Yeah.
Damn.
That's a Corvette. The 06.
Oh, man. Ooh.
It's for a bowed roof, so I had to actually bow the whole roof to make it match the contour of that damn thing.
Yeah.
It's got a round now. I pump everything. Get round to it and match the damn bucket of roof.
Okay, so yeah, he is extended, and I know it's got them little hoses and stuff.
Yeah, he got one hose all through. Saying his, you know, put it up his hair on her doing. You got one hose out each side of the car. For the drains, I got hoses down here.
Yeah.
From there, got them ones coming out of the front. Down the front fender from up here, going down through that shit.
And
He's breaking the top of that stereo.
yep.
You can't fucking have these type of with that kind of much stereo. It's all plastic trim. It works for it. It's not. It's throwing it out of whack.
Yeah, cause I know like with that sunroof you got to have the that little rubber seal going around or whatever. But
Yeah. These things got some tracks. You bring them way out here, and they're plastic. If you go thumping that bitch harder out there, it's flopping around the goddamn mud. It breaks your shit up.
I mean, if it feel pretty
Don't
solid.
need it over where it ain't as tight like it was when it was put in there. It's gonna rattle the shit and warp it and everything else. These windows start jumping 4 inches.
Yeah, he had his music wide open.
Yeah, you don't realize how much damage he's doing.
But you know, a lot of people that that got these cars with the sunroof, they play the music.
Yeah, I know.
She still haven't come in here and look. Or did she?
Yeah, she did.
Oh, okay. Angel, you see this sunroof on this one?
Oh, I didn't even know it had a sunroof.
Yeah.
He got the Panameric sunroof, the big long one. But that's the one I want.
Oh,
That's
nice.
yeah. See, he'll pop up and then the retract going on back.
Yeah.
But look on the inside. See how
Well, it's nice and clean in there.
see his ain't got no leaks or nothing.
Yeah, I'm waiting to get a daggone switch and put in this thing.
Yeah, he been trying to get me to get the roof like this. Oh, now the whole thing gonna open.
Sticking. He's got it all out of whack. We had a hell of a time getting it closed. I told him, you can't be leaving them things open and blow the screw. It'll vibrate the hell out of them. Listen to me. I just get another one.
They don't got the metal in the middle. Cause see the hard plate. Cause see the ones over there. Yeah. They,
I gotta reschedule my doctor's appointment because I missed it again. Oh.
What up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Miami T, man. I got good news for y'all. Finally, well overdue. Lucille getting her sunroof put in. I know I've been looking for shop after shop to do it the right way, and my boy Corey, man, he been telling me for the longest, man, come on down, do the sunroof, and of course I was trying to get all that electrical mess out the way, but yeah. Sunroof. I ain't doing the Panameric, but the sunroof coming out the Escalade, and it's going in Lucille. And Mr. Marty, you ain't know I got a YouTube channel, did you? No, I do YouTube too. But yeah, so let me show y'all one more time. Show y'all the last go round. It's a done deal. Put the let me get through. Just put the deposit on it, and they gonna pull it on out this week, and try and get this flash on. Let me see. Anyway, yo, this is it. This is the sunroof. I'm gonna take this on about this Escalade. Throw this in Lucille. Show y'all the top. A little dusty right now, but we all good. Yo, you see it? Marty said he gonna go ahead and knock that thing on out, man. So gotta get Lucille down here. Marty, what's this? Largo or St. Pete? Largo. Yep. So that's a done deal, man. Done deal. Good work. So we're gonna be out here in the street this week. Let's go to the left. That was a good prank one. Looks like something.
Yep. Some money. Money.
And he do the LS.
Oh, you gonna get him to do it?
Yup.
He got this other guy car looking nice.
He said he did it all 3 times. Every time he upgraded, he redid it. And I know the first time I seen that car run, it was just on the street. He shot past me so fast, and I think he had a 5.3 in there then. Now he went big boy. He put the vet mode in there. I thought he was finna come out past the wall.
That's the brick wall.
I said, man, don't bring your ass out.
When they get through this bridge, it's gonna be beautiful.
I don't even really see what's the point of adding more lanes. I mean, if anything, they should have.
Well, I heard they about to get rid of a lane or two, and they taking the bridge in the air.
If anything, it seemed like they should have had a bridge going that way, so people that live like, on that side ain't got to either go all the way down to the Skyway Bridge, or either come all the way back up.
Yeah. You see which way it's going.
They just going over, but it's still in the same direction.
I thought they had something to do with the water, because the water, sometimes the water get high.
That's all electrical was the biggest holdup. That was the biggest issue.
Cause he wired